My name is Daryl Sauer, and I am in the Scientific Assessment Group at AbbVie, which is a major pharmaceutical company. We work on a number of proprietary pharmaceutical products, everything from biologicals to small molecules to injectables, and that treat a variety of therapeutic areas, from oncology to immunology, a wide spectrum. Years ago, we were able to follow literature, go to scientific meetings, and keep up with what was going on in the scientific fields that we're interested in. So we would find technologies that maybe at this moment are not applicable directly to discovering a new drug, but they could be in 5 to 10 years. And our job was to identify those, recognize those, and show that they could be useful for the organization. We had a project that we had worked on previously. We had several of our scientists spend a considerable amount of time working on a report towards a new area that we were interested in. We had that report in hand, and we were able to do a trial with PreScouter in which we essentially gave them the same project. They actually did discover some things that our scientists did not, and so what we showed was that it was very worthwhile to hire a company like PreScouter to do the research that our scientists could do if we wanted to have them spend time doing that. And in fact, it's much more cost effective to have someone like PreScouter do it than have our staff do it. Our staff should be making drugs, not doing library research or literature research or scientific informational research. So we found it was a very cost-effective way to do that, and we got, as I mentioned, very similar to results to what our own staff had gotten. Yes, I mean, we've recommended them to several projects within AbbVie, and I think they would be very useful for not only pharmaceutical companies, but a lot of smaller companies that maybe don't have the resources to do that sort of background. Startup companies, incubator companies, small companies that really don't have the resources that a big pharma company might have, but that certainly would need that sort of background, not only to develop their research, but perhaps put a business plan together for bringing a company to market.